Hey guys, this is Zach from Vision Swell, Products and Principles for a Simple Serene Life. Here I've got a bunch of Maxpedition pouches and morale patches that I recently picked up, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing video just to give you a quick overview. And you'll probably see these featured in full review videos and other type loadout videos in the future, but I just wanted to start with a quick unboxing. So first, let's look at this big guy. This is the Beefy pocket organizer from Maxpedition in the wolf gray color. As you can see, this is even bigger than the double-decker EDC pouch that I had reviewed previously. It also has another large spot for the patches to fit on. It's got the Velcro pocket with the mesh sleeve to carry things externally on the bag. It's got the MOLLE webbing on the back and the nice carry handle with the nice stitching. So similar aesthetic to the other bags. Instead of being double-decker though, it's just one large pocket here with the two YKK zippers with paracord zipper pulls. And then on the inside, you've got this huge pocket where you have a slide pocket similar to the other bags, a D-ring for attaching carabiners, keys, multi-tools, whatever. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small gear loops of elastic, and you've got 1, 2, 3 larger gear loops of elastic. So you could fit all types of different things in there, as well as this little attachment point here if you wanted a carabiner, if you wanted to hang it up, if you had something to attach here. And then what's interesting is there's also a large elastic loop here that goes down the spine. So if you had a large multi-tool or knife or something that you needed to carry, there's plenty of space and depth here to carry that. Also, you have this sideways zipper pocket. So if you wanted to carry the bag or open it like this, put some things in this zipper pocket, then again, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 medium-sized elastic loops, and then 2 very large. So if you had notebooks or laptop chargers or anything big and bulky, you could fit it behind these elastic loops and use them in various different ways. So this is a really nice option if you need a ton of gear in your pouch. This would be great for a car, a backpack, bringing it to work every day, somewhere where you can carry around a larger pouch. Next up, this is the EDC pocket organizer from Maxpedition in the foliage green color. This is similar in size to the double-decker EDC pouch that I reviewed before. Again, it has a similar exterior with the hook and loop fasteners, the mesh pocket with the Velcro, the MOLLE webbing, the handle. Again, it's only one layer with the double YKK zippers with the paracord zipper pulls. The interior of the bag is similar to the double-decker, at least the first layer of it, where you have a key clip, an attachment point, the 2 slide pockets, and then a ton of different elastic loops in different sizes, small, medium, large, and super extra large here, depending on what type of gear, cords, dongles, anything that you need to store in here. I really like the foliage green color, and this looks like another great option for a pouch to carry, and it's a little bit smaller, so you could fit this in a one bag carry if you loaded it out correctly. Next up, I have the double-decker mini pocket organizer. So as opposed to the other mini pocket organizer or the other double-decker I reviewed recently, this one's a little bit smaller but still double-decker, so it's just a little bit different usage of the space. This is in the khaki color, so it's kind of that sandy, nice, more tactical color. Each layer of this has 2 YKK zippers with paracord zipper pulls. And again, it has the little mesh pocket with the Velcro. It's got the spot for the morale patch. It's got the MOLLE webbing and the nice handle. The first layer of it is similar to a smaller size of this, where it's the 2 slide pockets, the keychain attachment, the 3 different sizes, well, 4 technically different sizes of elastic loops to accommodate different types of gear, this attachment point, and then the back pocket just is similar to the double-decker pouch that I showed recently, where it has this large mesh pocket where you could fit all kinds of things, but it's just kind of a large pocket without organization. And then a deeper pocket if you had some deeper gear that required a little bit of extra space. So again, lack of organization in this back pocket, but it's good if you have some large items you need to tuck away somewhere. Last up is, in the foliage green color, the mini pocket organizer from Maxpedition. I really like this foliage green. It's almost like an off green or a more metallic green. Just like the others, it has the mesh pocket with the Velcro. It's got a spot for morale patches. It's got the MOLLE webbing, the nice handle, the double YKK zipper with the paracord pulls. And on the inside, it has the attachment point, the keychain leash, and the multiple sizes of elastic loops to accommodate all different types of gear. So I think like the point is, Maxpedition makes amazing pouches. The pouches are useful in a variety of different ways depending on your needs. Are you packing a small bag, a large bag? Is this your EDC pouch that you keep at home in a closet? Is it one that you keep in your car? Is it pocketable? Is it for tech gear? Is it for tools? Is it for cutting tools? Is it for survival? Is it for outdoor usage? Maxpedition pouches are useful in every different scenario. You just need to choose the size and color combination and usefulness that works for you. There's pretty much nothing that can't be handled by one of these pouches depending on your scenario. And then last up, I just got some awesome little morale patches in different designs. So let's take a look at each of these. I got 4 different ones. The first is called Death Cometh. And I mean, it's pretty obvious what this one's going to be about. Like I said, it's the Grim Reaper, it's death. So let's see what it looks like when you stick it on the outside of the bag. Oh, I didn't pull the back off. There's a little piece of backing on each of these to protect them. I forgot about that. Sticks perfectly. It takes up most of this grid here. I know it depends on the bag size. Some of the hook and loop areas can be a little bit bigger or smaller. But yeah, I think this is really cool. I like this design. There's a closer look. They're really well-made morale patches. They're rubber, and then they have the hook and loop backing, and they feel really well designed. All the detail is really nice. The next one I picked up is called Ronin. Whoop, went flying there. Hold on one second. So there's the Ronin one. It's got a samurai on horseback on it with, it looks like Mount Fuji in the background, a little bird flying in front of the moon. You can see this little pagoda tower in the back and bonsai trees. The little details here are incredible, and I really like the way this one looks. This will probably be one of my top most used morale patches from Maxpedition. I love the design. Just like the other one, it sticks well, and it can be used in a variety of different orientations, different places on the bag, wherever you've got hook and loop fasteners. And I think it really adds personality to these pouches. Next up, I've got Ku, God of War. It's like a Hawaiian tiki man kind of character. I don't know if he's really part of Hawaiian lore, but I'm assuming it is. But if you look, you can see the volcano in the background. You can see the tiki man with his spear, and he's coming straight at you. And the volcano has magma flowing down. It's a pretty cool background. And then you have like birds or bats or something flying around up top. There you go. It fits well on there as well. And I really like this design too. It gives it a little bit of personality. And also because of the coloration differences between these patches, some of them might be better served with different colored pouches to kind of coordinate the colors a little bit. And then the last one I have is a little bit less violent and a little bit more peaceful. And this is the outdoor camp one from Maxpedition. It looks like there's a little A-frame tent with a bonfire next to a lake with some trees and a mountain and a sunrise in the background with a little moon overlay. So I think this would be great if I'm planning an outdoors backpack or an outdoors pouch. It really fits the mood well. So I really had to pick this one up because I think the design is just awesome. Very peaceful, reminds me of why being out in nature is great. It's important to get away sometimes. And there you go. I feel like this would look good on a larger patch that you're using for outdoors purposes. And then, just to compare, here's the original patch I have. This is the SWAT USA patch in the SWAT coloration, so it's like a grayscale version of the American flag. And just like the other ones, it's amazing quality, so highly suggest you pick up one of these morale patches if it's something you're into. They're really good quality. As always, the Maxpedition pouches are amazing, and I can't really recommend them enough because no matter what your use case may be, here's 4 different ones right here in varying sizes, the ones I just unboxed. And then I also have this one I just showed you, as well as the original double-decker. So I'm a little bit of a Maxpedition pouch addict now, and now I have all these cool patches to put on all of them. So no matter what kind of use case I have for these bags, I can not only find ways to use them, but I can also decorate them so that they each have personality, and each of these patches kind of defines the way the bag is being used, so I can use it to organize as well. I highly suggest you pick up these pouches, these morale patches, if it's something that interests you. And yeah, if you're anything into EDC like me, I'm only in it minorly. I'm not someone who works a ton with tools in my everyday life, but I use it more for tech gear, for everyday carry items like cordage and lighters and zip ties and things that I need in my everyday life to get me out of a jam, or a medical kit or anything like that. So if these are something that interests you, I suggest you check out Maxpedition. Check out the links in my description below. They're affiliate links. I would appreciate if you use them, but please don't feel obligated. And yeah, let me know what you think about these Maxpedition pouches, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.